Hi there, I'm attorney Pamela Hailey-Petty, and I want to answer a question that we get asked all the time. Why would I want to trust? Many people wonder whether their circumstances warrant a trust and what benefits this estate planning tool can offer. So let's explore 5 of the main reasons why you would want to put a trust into place. 1, if you own property out of state. If you own property out of state, a trust can help you avoid having to go through probate in multiple states. Probate can be a lengthy and expensive process, but setting up a properly funded trust can help your beneficiaries bypass probate altogether. This can save your loved ones time, money, and hassle while ensuring that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. 2, if you want to disinherit a child or some other individual. Disinheriting someone can be difficult. That's a difficult personal decision. And that is a circumstance where it's necessary to not simply write those wishes in a will, but to draft and fund a trust so that it makes it harder for someone that's disinherited to contest that. So with the trust, you can specify exactly how and to whom to distribute your assets. 3, to keep your estate private. If you're concerned about the privacy of your estate, you'll want to avoid probate, at least for some of your assets. Probate is public, and so your will becomes public after you file for probate. And you may need to file an inventory with the court. There might be ways around that, but we can't guarantee that. And so to keep your financial affairs private, then you'll want to put a trust into place, right? The trust itself is private, and the assets that you put into the trust can be private depending on what they are. Real estate, that's going to be public record when you place it into the trust, but things like bank accounts, and if we're directing other assets to the trust, then that can help maintain that privacy. 4, if you want your fiduciary to have immediate access to funds in order to use your funds to do things like pay your mortgage, assist children still in college with those expenses if you're still supporting that, and just being able to access your own funds to manage the probate and estate administration, right? Putting a trust into place will give your successor trustee the ability to use your funds rather than having to dip into their own pocket to manage those things. Then finally, 5, if you have minor children. If you have minor children, drafting a trust is strongly recommended. It can help ensure that if something happens to you, their legal guardians will have the resources available for them to, again, maintain all of those things that you're providing for your children, right? So there's no financial hiccup there. It can also help prevent an irresponsible guardian from squandering inheritance before the child reaches the age at which they're going to receive the funds outright. This depends on, of course, who you're setting up as trustee, and so that's part of the conversation. And it just gets some more clarity on what the trustee can spend money on for your children. So there you have it. If you meet the criteria for any of these 5 reasons, you may really benefit from a trust-based plan. Of course, it's always good to talk to a professional about your specific circumstances. There are certainly other reasons why you would want to trust, so you can reach out to Hailey-Petty Law Firm to schedule your free 45-minute consultation to discuss your unique situation. Hopefully this video has given you some insight into the benefits of a trust. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos about estate planning, asset protection, and long-term care planning.